Thanks for the ride.
You're late for the briefing.
Keep your shirt on, I'm coming. Sorry.
I heard about explosives training.
Yeah, the whole group spent the night trapped in a restroom.
Poor babies.
This occurred 40 minutes ago.
Wait a minute. I've seen this building somewhere before.
Hey, ain't that the Megatech Body Corporation?
Yes, 18 people were severely injured when 50 grams of C6 were detonated. Some group calling itself the Human Liberation Front claims responsibility.
So they want to liberate us, huh?
Real terrorists.
This was not an amateur stunt. Their communique was released directly onto an encrypted security net. These are pros with hacking skills.
Were they traced?
The transmission originated from multiple locations in the Bay Area. That's where we're headed right now. The equipment is A4. We expect an ambush, so memorize the layout. It's a big mission.
I'm sure it's a trap. I've just got a feeling.
I'll bet you check under the bed at night before you go to sleep.
Bateau, look, see what I have.
Huh?
The new rookies gave me all these funny little stickers.
Ah, take them off, you moron.
Fuchikoma, just do your job and help the rookie.
We've identified the new enemy leader. A military arms depot was raided 2 days ago and the thief was caught on camera, codenamed Zebra 27. The stolen goods and the weapons were the same.
Hey, I know him. He's a mercenary who made an illegal fortune in Burundi. But I thought he changed his identity.
These are files from Section 6.
Our support chopper's on the way?
P-203 is due in 4 minutes.
I've got something here, Chief. This is real weird. It seems the Energy Ministry's interested in Zebra 27's files.
We'll stay on that and see what else you can find out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the mercenary caused a big shakeup over in South Africa.
I'm getting the picture now.
Break time's over. Let's go get him. Okay, rookie, don't fall behind. Status report, everyone. Quickly capture the pseudo-body.
Control to Kusanagi. New information. The enemy base has been identified.
Turn command over to Bateau and return to base with Togasa at once.
Roger. Bateau, Togasa, did you hear that?
Leave it to me.
Keep your wits about you.
It's their secret base. We discovered it by following their supply line.
Aeropolis 2. That was the project abandoned during construction.
It was delayed.
Anyway, that was the tower in the west sector, right?
Chief, shouldn't all of us in Section 9 concentrate on capturing Zebra?
Take a look at this.
Huh? A nuclear reactor? I don't believe it.
We don't know if this is what they're after, but the sector shows energy consumption has jumped to twice its normal level, and there's every reason to believe that that's what they came for.
Excuse me, sir, but the AI unit reported that a tank broke down and it'll take 4 hours to repair.
Why didn't you say so earlier? Kusanagi, rendezvous with Bateau and the others and prepare for infiltration. Togasa, widen the seal-off zone and check all major installations within a 5-kilometer radius. On the double!
Saito's company standing by on the south side. Do you see anything?
Nothing of any interest.
You gotta look through the other end to fit in the whole field of vision. Man, what a stupid structure to put up here.
Chief, Ishikawa's reporting in.
Patch him through.
Your hunch was right, Chief. An official at the Energy Ministry named Sawamura has been in contact with Zebra. Information on that army depot was leaked from him.
And the proof?
Rock solid. And another thing. Sawamura is involved with Megatech Body Corporation's development section.
Good. I'll arrange to have a warrant issued while you're investigating Megatech. Kusanagi, are you ready?
Aren't I always?
All teams move in.
Are you all right?
Impressive, rookie. The new guy's doing just fine. Huh?
The reactor's going berserk.
What?
Somebody's controlling it from above. We can't stop them from here.
What's going on?
I don't know, I swear.
This'll make Chernobyl look like a picnic if that core melts down.
If you're not shielded, stay in your Fuchikoma. Everyone up top. We're gonna cut off Zebra's command.
Wait a minute!
I'll take out the protective barrier. Go on!
There's no time to do that by yourself. I'll help.
No, you've got to back up the rookie. You heard me. I said get going.
Why argue? See you later?
You don't think I'll be there? Get going now.
You mean to say that this whole thing was because of a defect in Megatech's reactor?
You see, Sawamura planned to collect bribes from Megatech's development section in exchange for covering up the problem.
So that blast thing was supposed to look like terrorism.
Yeah, but then Zebra stepped into the picture. His scheme was to take over the reactor and extort money from Sawamura.
Everyone wants a piece. It's all greed.
He went too far when he notified Section 9 and claimed responsibility.
And ever since it all started, I've lost several nights of sleep.
I had no idea you were such a sensitive fella.
Well, at least it was a good training exercise for the rookie. You've got a good head on your shoulders, but you shouldn't rely so much on the Fujikomas for protection. You'll catch on with practice.
She's strict.
She's sounding more like Chief Aramaki.
Someone's talking about me.
Okay, let's begin drop training, shall we?
Don't try to stop me. I'm doing this
Doctor, you
operation.
can't
Get
just
out of my
throw
way.
us aside.
Let
We're
go
going
of me,
to
I
need
say,
hospital
please.
results, Doctor! Doctor!
Red alert! Missiles approaching! Take evasive action! I said missiles approaching! Let's get out of here! They're coming right at us! Run! The missiles are up!
You'll have to prove to us that you've got some guts.
We did it! We did it! We're covered with injuries and racking up experience! Promotion! Promotions! 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 We did it! We did it! We're covered with injuries and racking up experience points! Acquired!
You're the new guy that messed up the Fujikomas. Job security's nice, but give me a break and be more careful next time.
Well, you made the grade. Congratulations.
No way. That greenhorn is gonna head straight back to basics.
He'll be fine. Let him do it. Cut the guy some slack.
You're in. Break a leg, kid.
Well, I suppose you're average. In a real combat situation, you'll have to put out extra.
I'm surprised someone can show an impressive fight even though he's been on the beat.
Well, excuse me for not being flashy.
Do it
Wow.
again, and this time do it
Already
right.
know this stuff? Huh? Oh.
The training instructor was praising you. Keep up the good work for when it's the real thing.